Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Student, I hope you are doing well. So far, we have studied organic chemistry and hydrocarbons, and today we will entering to study the next very interesting and life-related chapter, which is biochemistry. Dear student, this chapter is very important, and we will discuss in this chapters chemical substances and reactions that occur inside the living organism. So let's start the introductions of this chapter, biochemistry. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of chemical substances and chemical reactions occurring in living organism. In simple words, biochemistry explains the chemistry of life. Explanation of biochemistry: all living organisms in plants, animals, and humans are made up of chemical compounds. These compounds control growth, energy production, digestion, respiration, metabolism. The study of these compounds and processes is called biochemistry. Why is biochemistry important? Biochemistry helps us understand how food is digested, how energy is produced in the body, how enzymes work, how diseases occurs, how medicines acts inside the body. That's why biochemistry is very important in medicine, biology, and pharmacy. Major components studied in biochemistry. Biochemistry mainly deals with the following biomolecules: carbohydrate, first one; second one, proteins; third one, lipids, mean fats and oils; fourth one, nucleic acids; and fifth one, enzymes. These compounds are essential for life. Relationship of biochemistry with other sciences. Biochemistry is closely related to biology, studies living organisms; chemistry studies chemical reactions; medicine, diagnosis and treatment of diseases; agriculture, plant growth and nutrition. Examples of biochemical processes. Some common biochemical processes are photosynthesis, respiration, digestion, fermentations, protein synthesis. All these processes involve chemical reactions inside cells. Importance of biochemistry in daily life: helps doctors diagnose diseases; used in preparation of medicines; helps understand nutrition and diet; used in biotechnology and genetic engineering; improves agriculture production. Diagrammatic representations of biochemistry. In biochemistry, we studied living organisms and biomolecules. Biomolecules as carbohydrate, protein, lipids, nucleic acids. And also, we study in biochemistry life processes, it is digestion, respiration, metabolism. Key points for exam: biochemistry is chemistry of living organism, deals with chemical reactions in cells, explain metabolism and life processes, important for medicine and biology. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on biochemistry introduction. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.